Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Ilang days kayo dito, ma'am?
Actually, hanggang Sabado lang.
Sabado.
May mga pasok.
Hi, ma'am. Welcome.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Camotes Island. Good afternoon, sir.
Boss, kunin po namin yung number niyo mamaya.
Yes po.
Thank you po.
Okay po. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
Alright. Until Saturday po, no? Until Saturday po kayo magstay. From Manila. Saan kayo galing sa Manila? Saan Manila?
Sa Makati.
Makati. Pwede po ba isali ko to sa vlog? Okay lang? Okay. Bala kung anong oras kayo matapos kumain, basta nandito na ako sa 8:30. Okay lang sa akin maghintay. Walang problema.
Sigurado na po yun.
Sige.
Kasi isang araw lang po yung ano namin eh. Tapos pag-usapan po namin, sabihin po namin sa inyo itong bukas kapag.
Anong oras kayo, Alice?
Yung para
Sige.
sa Sabado.
Oo.
May contact number ni Kuya?
Wala. Teka lang. Kano?
1-2.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Salamat.
Salamat po.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Ito po yung Camotes Hidden Huts, mga kaisla. Ayan. Until Saturday. So, 3 nights. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome.
Lamig ng hangin dito.
Oo nga, ma'am. Good choice to. Kasi napakaganda ng room dito, ma'am. Napakaganda ng room.
Tapos pupunta sa dagat.
Oo. Walking distance lang po. 2 minutes siguro. Abot na. Ito po. Camotes. Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. I'm the driver.
You driver?
Yeah. Tomorrow I'll get them 8:30 a.m.
Day tour?
Yeah, I just asked them a really low price because Frank and Byron's very good friend. So I just asked them a really low price, only 2,500, including sending from the port.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you.
2.5 is for the day tour?
Yeah, 1 day tour, and that's including for the sending them from the port.
Okay.
Yeah, it's free.
That's a very fair price.
Thank you. So you.
First time you're here?
No, actually no, because when Byron asked me a motorbike, yeah.
Okay. But with the chutney?
Actually, I tried to eat here, and chicken curry, it's the best.
Thank you.
And also the peanuts. That's my favorite.
Okay.
The jeepney, yes, it's my first time.
Okay.
No, it's my second time.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Okay.
By the way, I'm Jeremiah.
Jeremiah?
Yes, Jeremiah.
Okay, Danny.
A local blogger here on our island.
Okay.
Isla Boy. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you later.
Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow.
Okay. You want some water?
No, it's okay. Thanks. It's okay. Thanks. So that's the owner of Camotes Hidden Huts here. All right. So thank you so much, Byron. Ay, Sir Frank.
Hapon.
May hapon. Thank you.
Kamusta?
I
Brought the guest?
Yes, yes. And then tomorrow I get them 8:30 a.m. for the 1 day tour.
Bravo.
And I asked them for a very low price. It's only 2,500, and including to Saturday sending to the port.
That's good.
That's good. Thank you, Sir Frank. Thank you.
Good man.
All right. So that's the owner. Thank you so much, Sir Frank and Byron. Thank you so much. Yeah.